This short video is meant to hopefully get faculty on one accord with important college dates and deadlines. As a division, everyone is part of the BPST group. You can access this group in Outlook. So on the left-hand side, as you can see here, you go to groups. And this page here should list all the groups that you are a part of. So these are all the emails that are sent to you through this BPST 2025. There are 111 members. So this is the one with both faculty, full-time faculty and adjuncts. So there's 111 of y'all and counting. I've also broken it out into an adjunct faculty only and a full-time faculty only and chairs. So when you're in here, you can see the calendar. So here's your email, here's files from the group, a list of the members, but we want events. So I can come here and I can enter events. So as you can see here, the division meeting is on the calendar. The virtual Blackboard Ultra session is at 5:30 next Thursday. You can also, so that's how you access it through groups. Now next, if you go to the calendar, your groups that you're a member of also have calendars. So if I was to click here, my personal calendar dates would pop on here. So let me show you real quick. So these are all the dates that meetings and things like that. I took that off for purposes of this video. And selected only the BPST 2025 calendar. So on here, you can access the calendar. So on the 6th, you'd see the spring semester begins. The 13th, you'd see that no shows are due. The 16th, the Q&A session from yesterday is on there. Everyone who's a member, 111 people, have access to this through their Outlook. So you can come here. I think I've done at least some dates, but the midterms will be on here. The last date to withdraw will be on here. Any holiday closures will be on here. I'd like to get birthdays on here of those who celebrate. And so this is a way that you can stay on top of the important deadline. So I hope this is helpful. I'm still going to send the emails. I'm still going to do the videos. But this is just one other way that we are going to try to be good stewards of the important responsibilities of faculty by taking care of the deadlines that are notated on this calendar. Hope this helps.